yo. It's over here, huh? Yo. Oh, fuck, I forgot to fill my water bottle. That's what I fucking wanted to do. No. I gotta wait. Again. Nothing new. Hello. I hope you guys are doing well. Thank you. Bravo. Yeah, just publish a message on Discord. You're doing well. Still like most dangerous part of the job. Okay, that was scary as fuck. Hello. Yes, don't worry, thank you. Hello people. I hope you're doing great. Let's see. I wanna do this. Plug my phone in, because I'm gonna need it later. Hello! That's loud to me, I don't know about you. If it is, do tell. Anyways, hello. I hope you're doing great. I thought something was leaking. It's not that cool. Yeah. Let's check this maybe. I hope you guys are doing well. Swallow. Hahaha. That's just my infection. Welcome back. We are doing this shit again. Still. What are we doing? We made bots for YouTube and Twitch, so we can get all the messages and publish them in one place, so that I'm sorry, my brain is just slow a bit. So that they can show them in the OBS as a source. That's practically the only thing I wanted to do. I also wanted to develop like a platform for commands, which we might do. I don't know, today. That will be fun. Better than doing like this job. Anyways, so what are we doing? We today are going to continue working on an admin panel. Last time we didn't really finish it. Okay, I actually need to run it, that will be good. Zig build run server. Okay, refresh here. So these are all the messages we have saved in our database. So it's like me saying, yo, hello, blah, blah, blah. And these are the last time. Okay, let's finish this first. This stream, we are gonna add buttons for like deleting the message, which is not really gonna delete it, it's just gonna unshow it from the streaming panel. And then also like blur it here, so that users can't see it here unless I like click here, show me. So I can like move here, move it to another screen and like show it to myself and be like, okay, that's weird, and like hide and hide. And then like actions, it's gonna be like delete or not delete or undelete, show. I don't know what the action is. I noticed that these are sorted incorrectly, which is fun. Let's think. Sort menus. Okay. So last stream we almost finished this, but there was a problem where it could not build, and I fixed that problem. So what did I say? Yes, so we had a problem, and the problem was, if we go to admin, that for some reason it couldn't serialize from the select statement into this track, but it was like this before. You wait here and you wait here. Now you might wonder why that would be, and there's a very simple reason, because it doesn't know which type of int it needs to be. So it's just like we are gonna do everything in U64, and if it isn't a U64, then we are gonna struggle and say, okay, there's an error. Which error? I'm not gonna tell you. Or which field has an error? I'm not gonna tell you. So I don't know which fucking field it was, which is fun. Now let's see what else. So I changed it to U64 and it worked. Then I read it a bit. Before he had it said YT and TV instead of the logos, but I was like, I can't see the difference. I'm blind as fuck, it seems. And because they're so close, like in text, it's hard to see the difference. So I decided to actually just put icons as it's in this all chats here. So yeah, that's the change. Now I noticed this is sorted incorrectly. We probably want to put the newest ones first, I guess. Maybe not. I don't fucking, because what I wanted was for them to be like, okay, newest message comes up on top. That would be my guess. And also there's comments here, which let me explain. So we have request arena and response arena, and those two are different. Request arena is a static amount of bytes. If we go here, it says request arena trying to allocate a buffer, a fixed buffer allocator with this buffer size, which is at the start. We go here or here somewhere. There's buffers, not this. Gather body buffer size first. Here, request buffer size. No, this is not this. It's one of these. This workers. Okay, yes. So this buffer size. I promise you. Here. So this is that buffer. It's like 8,000 bytes, right? It's not bytes. Yes, bytes. So it's like 1,000 characters, which I think is more than enough. So it's like 8 kilobytes, I think, which is perfectly fine for me and for what we're doing. So we can just use that. And so for all of these small calculations, we reuse that request arena. So what we do is it looks something like 0, 0, 0. Like it is 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. And then what we do, and it points to like here, points at this carrot. It's here, it points here. And then we write hello, H, E, L, L, O. So now it points here. And then that's this allocation. And we're like, after we allocate, we are just gonna free from there. And since it's a static buffer, it means that the way it allocates is it just moves the pointer, as you saw. And the only way it deallocates if you deallocate the last pointer. And since we are doing that in that correct way, that means that after we allocate this buffer and put it into HTML, we deallocate the HTML and then deallocate the flag. That would be like if we put hello and then put like V O R L D, and it will be here. And then what we do is we remove the world, but we don't really remove it. We just push the pointer to here. Like, there it is. And then we deallocate the hello, which means we just push the pointer to here. That's what we do. Since it's always on top of the stack in quotation marks, the stack. So we can just like go back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, and it should be pretty fast because of the on CPU, because it's local memory, so it should never get out of the CPU cache, probably. That's what I think. I don't fucking know actually. That's my big brain ideas about it. But for this, we use the response arena. Now we could use a request arena. It would probably be big enough, but it would fuck with this, because every time we would request hello world, so in this it would be like, hey, try to append this slice. Try to append this hello world somewhere. We're like, hey, before we don't have enough space, so we're gonna copy paste here, and it would make it so that we are not the top of the stack anymore, which would just slow us down, and like we couldn't free the last allocated list. So we were like, shite. Let's do that. Yes, that's why we use a response arena here, and here we will also use request arena and just free it, because why not? We can. You can practically free it here, but that it's gonna get freed anyway, so it doesn't matter to us. And for this, we need to use response arena because we need it to survive the response. Yes. We can probably do something like this, but that's fine. So that's what we did between the streams. Now, I probably want to sort them or something, and I figured out while I was fixing this up that I can't sort a broken thing. So we don't have anything we can sort by. I mean, we can, I guess, sort by messages, by the ID. But if Twitch lags a bit, a Twitch message could end up after a YouTube message, even though it was sent before the YouTube message. Now, to me, does it matter? The answer is no. So we can probably just actually do that, yeah. Well, that took a long time for me to agree on. Statement type. Prepare. So, let's see. All. What's all? If only there was a way for me to search stuff, you know. What for it? Allocator options. Query options. Oh, hello, Billy. I hope you're doing well. Haven't seen you yesterday, I think. Yeah, yesterday. How are you doing? Statement all. These are the options and then some values. Why are you fine and not ecstatic? For the chat messages. Here. It just like saves the chat messages. I wanna be able to like delete them and shit if it's shit. Like I'm gonna also add support for like delete if I delete them in the Twitch chat. Directives for them to be removed, but I want to be like, for some reason, I want this. I was like, I want to try it, and I need a reason to try HTMX. Like I don't want to try it on the job because people don't know it, and I don't want to teach people how to do it. How do I sort this? Up and down. I'm a brain. It's like select this from messages, sort. ID descending, yes, question mark. The greatest idea ever, I know. Let's see, so it should be, well, how do we sort? I don't know how to sort, let's go. Order by. I haven't worked in pure SQL for a long time. Let's open. Oh, this seems cool. Quick chat message saying, "Oh, this is fucking cool." Oh, oh, oh! I would love to do this. Yeah. Oh, I love this. But this is so fucking cool. This is absolutely something I would not use, but to remake myself just so I can say I remade it. Oh, this actually looks cool. I love it. This is so fucking cool. I need a graph. I don't think I need a graph. Project resource, custom event. This is so fucking cool. Yeah. Especially like this graph thing. I never did the graphs. The only, in quotation marks, graphs I did was for like DFS search or something, to be like, check how does this work. And I was like, this is I made it and it was fine-ish. But I'm guessing that if you like level A, how do you do this? Oh, this WebSocket, Twitch account, Twitch channel. Fuck, I don't know how to use this. Maybe? Nope, I'm sure there's a way to use it. What's automata? Automata. Oh, that's fine. Oh no, now I can tell you. I fucking remember the reason why I did this, because this admin panel. I wanted to be able to save the messages by users to be like, hey, I want to add this to favorite. Like, look at this later, or as an idea or something. That's why I wanted to do it. Because it would be great for me now to be able to go ahead and like save your message with the GitHub thing. Like, okay, this is cool, let me save it, I'm gonna start it, I like it. How's life going for you? Life, okay, let's not talk about life, life is hard. How are you? I saw you said fine, but why are you just fine and not ecstatic? Now let's see, if I run the Twitch bot, 1 by 2, 3, 6, 7, Zig build, run, I can type, which, okay, yeah. Didn't add itself, that's cool. There was an error while timestamp to date is not defined. That sounds fucking great. That makes sense indeed, but it's not defined. Add message. Indeed, very true. Hello. Yeah, that's it at the bottom. Should I at the top? I should commit this. Good. Fix for what? What fix? Something fix. Brain. It would be good if it worked. Fix. Fix the error. Yeah, well, I don't want to call it fixed an error, that sounds awful actually. Git commit amend. Fix incorrect function. Oh, yeah, git push. Clears. Run switch. I wanna change some other stuff. If we go into the admin JS, perfect. Fuck your views. Maverick canal focus. Ban. How do I ban this? Perfect, that's banned. And this is why I wanna support deleting messages, for fuck's sake. I wanna do that soon, yeah. As soon as possible actually. Append. And I say where, please. Start. Child. Append child at start. Append child at start. How do I add append child at start? Prepend. First child. This is interesting. Append child start start of div please. Set of from object starting. Can I see an example please? I have some use with please. Okay. Append, so it's gonna be span p. Makes sense, so we should prepend I guess. If we refresh, this is what I wanted to be able to delete them. We are gonna add that soon. This one. Yep, adds them in the correct order. That's fucking cool. Very cool, very cool, very cool. Cool. Yep. Yep, now it's the correct way around. Let's see. Admin. Get stuff. Get commit. Add messages from sort messages, so the newest ones are first. One is the first. Prepend. So the newest one is first. Git commit. Amend. Sure. Append. Prepend messages from that socket, so they are at the top. Push that. I can't tell 17 times over shit. Did I get a 14? That seems incorrect. I don't fucking know. Maybe it is correct. Let's see. Push that. What do I wanna think about? What am I thinking? Yeah, we want to add the fuck. Yeah, we can remove this. So routes, delete, Zig message, delete. Or do we wanna post? Oh, that sounds cool. Message Zig, fuck. Message Zig. Messages. Delete ID. Mush. I like it. Where is the WebSocket? That one is the easiest one to use. Delete. Messages. Delete. Oh, hello YouTube. Okay, YouTube just lying to me here. So that's fun to know. Test. I mean, let me do it like this. Okay. It does certainly work. Let's close that. What are we doing? Yes, so delete is gonna be at messages ID like this. Delete. Yeah. Messages delete. So context request. How do we get the field? Not WebSocket. Let's not look at WebSocket. We don't need it. They have request param. Okay. Const message ID is this. So then my DB, so that means I need to do what now? What do I need to do? Brain please, it will be good if we could work. I need to update the thingamajig in not which YouTube, but in main, yes. Follow in the database, so it's gonna be so channel ID platform visible SQLite. Yeah, let's go to SQLite. Documentation. SQLite types. That's data types. Strict, flexible, integer primary key. There is date and time, type affinity. Yep, type affinity. Char. This is all text. Blob is blob. Real is real. Int, tiny, medium, begin, unsized, int 2, int 8. Okay, so it's just gonna be like number. Let's go default 1. SQLite default. Create table, yes. Column definition table. Column definition. That's not what I want to show. column constraints. No, type name. Column definition. Type name column constraint. Schema name, table name. Type name. Constraint name. So it's like primary key. New default. Yes, okay, so that's that. Column definition. If they had a comma here, that would be greater, but sadly they don't, so I have to write that shit. Or like, should it be visible or deleted? Visible, because it's like, no, we're not gonna really delete them. Really. Context dot migrations. Migrants slash 2024 0614 visible field to messages. 2058. That's good. Add field visible. Add visible field to messages. Should it be like something like this, maybe? Or not? You know, this is like, okay, this is to differentiate this, and this is to differentiate that, maybe. Maybe, I don't know. Long table. Long update table. Update table. Change table. Update table. Let's go. Update. Let's go like. Oh, it is update. Cool. That's fun to know. Update or fail, I guess. Update messages. Not update. Update. Change. Add field. Alter. Setup. Perfect. Alter table. Alter table messages. Add column. Add column. Column name. Column definition and column definition is this shit. Just name type. So it's on this type here. Visible integer not null default. No, it can be. Yes. Add. Must have default value. Yes, perfect. That's. Let's see what this means. Oof. No kick support. We cannot kick support. Kick support would be great if I would ever stream on kick. I'll that kick. like, and I don't think they even have the category. I'm actually not gonna go and open kick on the main screen because I don't know what's under categories. How do we? Can I sort by the smallest amount of views? What? Are you saying something to me? Okay, shouldn't. Okay, they do have a software category. How do I close this? Okay, they have a software category, and there's like 3 people here. So at least, maybe I could do it. Not for these people, it seems. Lol. Maybe, I mean, I could add support, but then I would have to stream to one more place. True. Like, it's very hard to watch people code. Like, streaming, like, people don't know what the fuck you're doing, so you have to spend more time explaining what the fuck you're doing than actually doing stuff. Kick support. I'm not gonna open any more tabs on Kick because that seems like a awful place to be. Yes, or you can code, but as long as you get audience from, I mean, what do I think? Yes, you would certainly get more people if you do more talk than coding, that's for sure. Yeah, that's true. But you could get a okay amount of people if you just had a source of them coming to you. And I stream here and on YouTube, and I have not posted a video for a very longest time. How do I open bookmarks like this? Like, I post streams here, I post in quotation mark streams, but like my last video was a long ass time ago, and some shorts are also like very old. Also, there was a trend like a month back, which was like, how can CRAs do this? Yeah, like, you can do this, but did you know that CRAs can work like this? But I did this thingamajig good 2 years ago, year and a half ago. I'm like, fuck, why am I too early to trends? Which sounds like fun. But yeah, so I am planning to compress this load of streams, these 12 streams, into a video, like talk over, like not actually just cut them one after the other. That would be very unfun. Let's see. I wanted to try build. Oh, it does build. Okay, that's good. I also wanted to copy my video back. SQLite 3 my.db, and then I want to try to run this. Wait, and see if it's there. Visible 1. Okay, yes, that's good. It's good. It's still good. I saved it though. So now context.db dot. How the fuck do I do this shit? Every time I fucking forget. Delete from messages. delete row. Okay, this lang delete. Okay. Delete from table where ID equal to question mark. I don't know how it works in here. And I have not saved to know how to SQL. This. But I don't know if people would actually follow me if I talk shit about shit. Where is this shit? Which account? My account? Whose account? Yours account? Your account. Ah, yeah, that's very sad. You didn't really have to copy paste the link, but sure. But yes, and all. Yeah, it's probably stolen, most likely. Where ID is limit 1, I guess. Printing, delete. Okay, doesn't delete, I guess. We don't delete. That's not all. So here's a statement, don't care. Execute over. ID. Salary. It's not here, it's here. They do like ID is message ID. Okay. And then I do response. I don't even do a response. It's already 200. And here I have to do anything. I mean, I can just return empty HTML, can't I? Yes, that should work fine. So here message. No, not delete. Okay. Update. I already forgot what the fuck I needed to do. Okay, that's good. That's good that I used the brain. Something. Lang. Update. Yes. Update messages set. Nope. Montenegro from Montenegro. I don't know how to say it in that way, but Montenegro, close to Bulgaria. Maps google.com. Yes, so if you look here on the map, Bulgaria is here, and this small ass country of Montenegro is where I live. Let's see. Update messages. Messages set ID equal to yeah, I have a very strong Slavic accent. Okay. What did you send? And why did it display it like NNN? I have some problems with reading text. So P, I guess Russian R. So that's maybe what it doesn't support. That's good to know. Lol. Good thing is that you can't curse in Russian, it seems. Let's add that to our to-do list. Future. The support more than just UTF-8. Okay, support more char sets. Exactly. I think the problem is the font I'm using. It doesn't support it. I would hope it's getting across correctly. This is set, not for fuck's sake. Where ID is this set visible to 0. There. I'm gonna die. I don't know what the fuck I'm writing. Set so. Update this, set this, where this. Visible equals 0. Where expression. Where ID is equal to some. Perfect. Is it visible? I don't even know. It is visible. And then no, fuck yeah, we actually need to return. So do you want to know a fun thing about this? If you say yes, we can go about it. What are we doing? Zig doesn't have date time. So I don't know how to parse the milliseconds or whatever the fuck I get here. So what I do is I send the milliseconds and the timestamp type, or the timestamp and the timestamp type to with HTML, and then in JavaScript I go and on loading just fix the timestamps, because I could not be bothered to write a datetime implementation myself, and every time I tried to look into one my head would hurt, because I'm like, I don't really want to support leap years, leap seconds, leap whatever the fucks, and calculate where the fuck we are. So I'm just not gonna support it. And now that's gonna kick me in the butt, because I need to figure out how to send this changed thing. Or maybe I can. No, I actually don't need to send it. Well, that's sad. I'm thinking of how to not have to send that. not have to send the timestamps. Fuck. Huh. That's a good first question. I don't know how to do it. Update these nuts. Update, try, execute. Well, I was thinking of just sending a script that like auto updates it after it comes. Just a inline JavaScript. But I don't know if I actually want to do that. Let's see. So it looks like this currently, but I maybe want to have, like, maybe I want it to be strike through or something, or blurry. What the fuck do I want it to be? Make it blurry. Yes. Filter blur. Can I do that? That would be great, actually. Blur. Effect. The fuck did I just read? Filter blur. Okay. Oh, that's so fucking cool. Okay, fuck. Okay, that's actually, okay, that's good. So I can do some filter blur. And for admin, hide. I think like hide, message timestamp, message action. Maybe I should actually hide. And then we want to also go in admin. Not in admin, lies. This admin HTML. And add message action. Delete it. And I need to actually start the server. Zig build server. Okay, so this is the action. Okay, who would have thought this is too big of it? Actually, nah, that's maybe too big. I don't know. I don't care. Action. Hide. What's this? Okay, this is the filter. Can I do something like, let's close this. Let's see. Let's blur this Maverick 27. Update table, update messages, set visible to 0, where ID is 27, I think. Yes. I love you too, dear. Clear. Congratulations. This is the wrong. Can I please get this run server? I don't wanna. And then I also need like visible. Yes, visible, and then I need to be like, hey, this is not visible. I need to set hide or something. Invisible. Or like class. String. Class. Message not visible. If message visible is 1 is 0, else this hidden. Blur, yes, blur, sure, category blur. Tier blur, admin, CSS. Table, row, blur. There's the blur thing here. This, that's running. Only a new factory. And God forbid, I will be too strong. Okay, perfect. I like this actually. This looks cool. I don't no, I don't want that. Maybe I should like disable blur, like delete it. Maybe like that. Maybe delete it, and then I can be like disable text. Says yes. Use it select CSS. Yes. Is it supported? Please say yes. That's a very good yes. for a longest time I just did copy pasted this whole thing, and then I understood that I don't need to do that. One day I will not forget. That's can I somehow add? I can do this. If it's deleted, I can do class is deleted. On click is disable on click. I can actually do this. I can. If I can do that, that would be even better. This is actually so fucking cool. Yes. So maybe I want to do this on not CSS, not selector. So I can just do not. Okay, perfect. Not message action. Oh, that's so fucking good. Oh, I love this. Who knew CSS was so powerful? Can you imagine? Action. I can add data tags or something, I don't know. Yes. If message that visible is 0, then let's do like show, else hide. Clear, run. Tun. Okay, it says show, that's good. Let's see. Let's go to HTML. What? No. Okay. Does this work on anything? Okay, we can restart the music. Hell yeah. What did I wanna do? That's probably a part of brain, and I know what to do. So it's delete. I call delete. And then I want to show it. Maybe it's not like hide, maybe like this. Like post to this method. So we try this, and then we have rest dot response dot data with log. Let's see. So Ajax. Ajax post. We request to the URL and load the response into the div. Okay, so I can do oh, interesting. So I need to do this and then get the value. Interesting. So update and then get. Okay, makes sense. There was something non-allocated. As you guys feel like. Let's use read data. Yes. Next, we need to use aha, makes sense. So actually we more likely than not need allocating one alloc. Yep. Fuck. I hate it. Select. Let's select this. And then limit 1. From messages where ID is equal to this. And then we can use context db prepare allocator alloctor. Message we can do request arena, that's simple. Arena ID is mess ready. We need to parse this. Is it the FMT parse int? Use 64 buffer done. And then try. ID and you really need the visual at least that. Everything else sadly I need. Okay, so I need to extract this function, which is like from struct to text. Okay. Routes. I can create like models and then have like search Zig, and this can have all of these fields, and then I can do like get one, get many. Pub fn get many. So const message is at this I'm guessing this returns a standard array, but I have 0 actual statement all. Pair of an array with slice. So just this message, and I can do like db. Nope, db. This is a very simple like thingamajig, so I can just do this. db like this. What's this? There's some new Twitch features, I'm guessing. Power-ups. Ah yes, power-ups. For people that actually have what is that? Like enough followers and our stream, I think. Yeah. Font as typical, yeah. Import std and SQLite. This is just db. In the db, some alloc is std mem allocator. This is why I knew that we needed the completely new that we needed to have this thing. This std. std really just feels like a standard disease, and not like standard. Just standard and nothing else. Select menu. Select menu. Select one. And then ID. I60 for some fucking reason, and maybe message. Return, and this is db, and this is alloc, and this is ID, and this is practically the same thing, isn't it? So on to visible. I think that's actually there because select one. I'm guessing it returns this. I again have 0. One alloc. Oh yeah, we need to also like send over. That makes sense. Yep. And then to HTML. Let's see. Fn to HTML. Self message. This probably. We return the HTML. Okay. And then here we return an error probably once you 8. Software platform. Self and out. Self self alloc look alloc alloc message self alloc. We don't actually need this because we are not gonna free that memory. We are gonna free this, but not whatever for this is. So we can update. For this we can go const message is models message dot select one context at db what did I say? This is request arena. Request arena message ID. Try. Like this one. Yes, so we need to have a message. Cool. Let's see. So we have the message. Done. So this is gonna be models message is const messages. So let's get all the messages. db context of db, and then response arena. Then we could do request arena, but it could be a long thing, so let's do response arena. Try messages. Let me just do this. The chances are I'm gonna fuck up, and then I want to be able to return this. Do this. Defer messages. Defer messages. This arena free like this shit. Done. Why is this? Here we go. Interesting. Don't know why that happened. For some reason my chat is wider than it should be, even though it shouldn't be wider. I don't know what the fuck that means. Message. I can do message dot maybe I can just do text. HTML is equal to message dot all to HTML request dot arena defer free. So that's there, and here we do messages, the message, and then we can do something with it a bit later. Let's try to build this and then fail, obviously. Okay, so we need a pointer for this. To us, it's all the same, and I think it's gonna probably the same. Lies and deception. Let's just do this. Yeah, and oops, here too. Wait, here gonna be message, and here it's also gonna be a message. Clear, and also let's Zig build it here so it's easier to check. Try. Well, it's gonna be a const, we don't change anything. Oh, struct. Is it possible in Zig to cast raw bytes into struct? Like U8, you actually need to make some tricks to have fat pointers. First I can copy paste this message because oh wait, even better, I can just let's see. So in Zig to cast raw bytes into struct. Raw bytes into struct. Yes, you can actually do that. You can do that by doing pointer cast, I think. So if you have a or cast, bitcast, yes. So you can bitcast from. I would, if you have pointers, you can probably just pointer cast. So it's like, here I have some slice here of bytes. I do that here. Let me show you. If we go in reader, I do that here. I read a slice in quotation marks. What I do is just like pointer cast it. I get the data, and I'm like, hey, this is another slice, and then I can just return it without really like copying it and making it another slice. I can just like say, hey, it points to here, this is the size, and it can cast it. So you can like convert it from, and I'm guessing you can also do that with structs, but representation isn't what the fuck is the word for it? Representation isn't guaranteed. Like it's not guaranteed, or maybe it is because it's like C based. Then it's actually probably more guaranteed to be like it's gonna be data then false, because in Rust you have to do like that at wrapper C to be like to make sure that it's like in the correct order every time. I had to think about that. Where? GitHub Maki Summer. What story types? Compact mixed vectors. No. I'm sure I had to do that somewhere, but yeah, that's the point. I think this, because this is based on C, it should probably do it as C does, which is like it's always gonna be at the same place. So yes, you can just do like read streams and be like, yeah, this is completely a pointer to there. What did I change? I don't know. Let's see if this works. Okay, it still works and still doesn't crash. That's perfect. Just to be sure. Okay, yes. So messages hide. We hide it. We get a message. We can do message.to HTML and then do request.arena. Actually, probably response.arena. Const HTML. Like this, and then try that. We have the HTML, do we just return it then? Maybe. I'm gonna try that and we see where that goes. Now I just need to change it here. Yes. I hate how this is formatted. Zig sometimes really has like the worst fucking formatting. What I do sometimes is like this. Why would you do that? For what reason would you do that? Like this doesn't make much sense to me. Or any sense, to be honest. Okay, I can save it like this, that's good. So before show hide I need to do some action from HTMX. Hexpost. Oops. Fuck, I need to parse this, print, allocate this shit. HX action. Let's switch on software is visible. If it's visible, like this. Yes, so if it's visible, oops. What do we do? We do hexpost messages ID hide slash messages, and then ID and then hide soft.id, and then if it's it should be like show then, and then we can do free this like this. Please build. Please smiley face. If you look at this shit, will it have an action? Okay, interesting. It did hide, and then it didn't found, and that's because I didn't actually put it anywhere. Main server. Const messages is hide at import slash messages actually I can then just bubble pop once like this. It's going this way. That's messages like that, and I think this is the correct thing here. Then I post this here. I think that's all correct. Maybe it is, but just decided not to do it correctly anymore. Messages. I feel like I didn't change that at all, so expected 64 pound. Live for body. This means it's gonna build. It's good to know that, like, when it runs slowly, that you know it's gonna build at least. Turn on server error. You'll like it, SQLite error. Even better. Perfect. We love a good SQLite error. If only there was a way for the errors to be more descriptive, probably. Did we update this? Do you like the visible 0? No, so it's probably this. Update messages set visible ID limit. std debug print update in line updated. Updating? Is that how it's spelled? Updating? I don't know how to spell updating. Yes, it is. Select one. Selecting one. Selected. I can almost bet that it's here. I just wanna check to be sure. Interesting. Is this query correct? That would be the most surprising part of it all. Okay, certainly not here.
I've been watching you.
Query and then let's see. Interesting. This is incorrect. Update. Does it shouldn't have this maybe? Withdraw that, I'm gonna actually laugh out of pain, I think. So no. Let's see. So update messages set visible equal 0 where ID equal question mark. Does the update not have a limit? Update indeed does not have a limit. That's my bad then. Clear run. Oops. Clear run. Okay, so it's in there. How do I change? So it replaces the whole thing. dot target. Maybe the easiest way would be to just add because when there's this class, if I could just add the class without doing anything else, that would be great. Trigger filter special events. Load relevant state polling. Load polling request indices target. Age of start. Yes. The point is I can't just replace the thingamajig. Yep. Append the content after the shine separately. Well, that would be good. Swap. That's any option is swapping. Title platform. Swap R. Transition swap settle. Okay, let's see this. Swap and settle. Okay, so inner HTML. So we can inner HTML, outer. We can't append a class, even though that will be the greatest out of all of those. Scroll and show. Interesting. Don't have a clue. Let's use our brain to bit. I can just replace this whole thing with that. So I need to be like ID something. ID is message slash. I just used the brain. Why the fuck am I doing this? Okay, no, I kinda understand why I'm doing that, yeah. Message and then slash ID. D. Oh yeah, it can collapsing on itself. So this is message some message. So you should do something, that's for sure. Slash ID. Expose. And then I can just set triggers targets. I can, okay. I mean, I can just set a target even if there's nothing. At message action self ID. How weird. Oh, I need to set outer thing. Probably outer class. Outer. Swap. Ajax swap. Outer. Oh no. No. Yes. Ajax. Outer. Enter target. Yes. Like this. Soon I'm gonna be left without any of these. Right. Okay. Show doesn't exist anymore, but it's just another like same coin. Same coin. Yes, different side of the same coin. Okay, before. Show. Set visible one. Yep. Show. Clear run. Are you in? Ha 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 ha. Perfect. I'm gonna have to figure out how to do this. For now it's fine, I think. But if you wanna travel, then go alone. Yeah, what's the point in us if I never know? So if you're gonna leave, I'ma let you go. It's something else on. I'm tired of the pain. Yes, I think I can make this simpler. Just cool. So I don't have to do so many actions. Of course, it is an old. Where is craft? So craft is just here. Thankfully, they're all at the end, so you can get two things. Craft. Message. Oh yes. Yeah, this and then craft. Okay. Yes. Okay, perfect. So it's gonna be like this. Like this, and then we can do this. I think this should make it so that I don't need the href, and the same thing for the action. Because my action is always gonna exist here, and it's gonna be slash message and then something. some string. So this action, so it should be self ID and then show or hide depending on this. If then show, else hide. And should involve that. I think so at least. Ooh, this seems to be working. But will it actually work? Just because it seems to be working, it usually doesn't. Okay, it does work. That's actually cool. I'm gonna make them more buttony or something. Other than that, I'm fine with this. That's good. That's good. That's good. That's good. That's very good. Very good.
With their nails done.
Let's see. Oof.
Girls with their nails done. I like the girls with their nails done.
So. Huh. Seems so cool. Let's see. So the only problem is that this isn't the date is incorrect, but other than that, this is actually pretty fine. But now I need to be okay. Yes. What I need to do is send WebSocket messages on hide and showing. Send WebSocket message on hide and show. Send WebSocket message on hide slash show. We are gonna do that, but I need to run for a second, so I'm gonna be right back. This. Can I just scale it down? This. Can I censor it? Yep. What the fuck? Not that. This. Thank you. And then turn these two off. BRB. Hello, hello, hello. Can you hear me? I hope you can. Let's see. Yeah, good. I why the fuck? What the fuck are these weird ass characters that happen sometimes? Like, do you see them on stream? Like, what the fuck is that? Like, why the fuck would that happen? Like, is it not encoded correctly? What the fuck? I don't know. I don't know. Doesn't matter too. Did it? Oh, it did literal stop. Lol. So yeah, send WebSocket message on Hydro. Font. Good ass question. It's Inter. What that is this? Inter. Google font. Google font. This one. Why? Because I thought it looks fun. But it's not like there are that it's fucking up some characters. It's that the characters don't exist in the message. Like if you let's show it like this. Like this after yeah, there's no characters. There shouldn't be any characters. And it happens when I send messages too sometimes. Yeah, that's the point. So I don't know what is sent. Yeah, but I don't know who's fucking... Could it be my end? I don't know. Because, yeah, and it's also not every time. I thought it was that maybe... what's the extension? 7TV or something sends accidentally some stuff. Because I don't have a clue what it is. And it's not like it happens always. It's just sometimes. Like, it's fine now. But now it isn't. Even though I sent the same thing twice. Let me see. If I go to network. For fuck's sake. Post. Yeah, okay, let's get this post request. No, it is from how do I separate window? I don't know if I should be sending all of that. But yeah, it's not me. Can I raw? It's actually Twitch sending it incorrectly. Maybe it's something to the bypass it. Yeah, probably a 7TV feature. Oh, document. Okay, wait. Because if you look here, JSON, it's here. This weird ass thing. So it is sent with probably 7TV. That's the problem. Yes, dobro. Okay, приятно. How weird. Ah? Thank you. I don't know how to check for those. Let's do this. 7TV random characters in chat. God knows what it's sending. So at least I know it's not a problem with me, and it's a problem with 7TV then. Ah, maybe. How do I check if I disabled unique? If it's unique? Šta si to čulo? Okay. Because I don't know. Pause. 7 TV settings. Yeah. Not that. Home. Bye. No, it's disabled for me. So it's not that. Yeah. I search. It's disabled. Like, I don't know why it would be like that. But it certainly is like when you send multiple messages of the same type. How weird. Oh, weird. Let me at least save that. It could be. It would make sense that it's that feature. But I would it's weird that I don't have it enabled. I don't think I have. Let me pop out the chat. Here. Chat. Let me. Hello. Pop out chat. Yeah, so it's probably that. Yeah, it's that. How interesting. Because for me, it's in here. What was it? Bypass. I can't spell bypass. Here. Yeah, it's disabled for me. How very weird. At least we know for the future. Don't show the weird ass characters that 7TV puts at the end of the messages. I can be like, if it's not a default character, I can just like be like skip or something. Protocol messages to client, hide mess. Toggle message. Maybe that's better. Yeah. Toggle message. Oh, I'm so smart. Toggle message. I can just have the ID and then show, and it can be a bool. Toggle. You can write the ID and then show. Solve. ID and then U8 to bool. U8 to bool Zig. Yeah. Bool to int. Okay. Bool. Self.show. At bool. Oh no, this. At this. But for this, I can like read it, be like, hey, show, and be like read weight and then not equal to 0. If it's equal to 1, so it's not 0, it's true. Yes. And then show. Toggle message. Oops. U8 64. Maybe then I can just call this toggle. Toggle and be like, oh! Okay, don't worry. Yes. Control shift. There. Važož. The fuck is control shift V? Ma daj, hoćeš da ti ja selektujem sve to? Sve ovo. I ovdje pastujem, jel, uđer. Not problemo. It's also interesting that for your message it added a character before. What was it? Yes, so toggle and it toggles it. And again, it's again some weird characters. How very interesting. What fancy stuff. What did I wanna do? I wanted to toggle ball skill. Yes. Okay, fill not equal to fill. I like it. I prefer not. Not is not visible. Oh, I love how the chat is fucking up. But I also think a bit of a problem for on stream chat is that related to that like OBS maybe doesn't support all the fonts. Okay, that one works. Interesting. Toggle. Show. Oops, like this. Toggle. Toggle there. Yeah, whatever those straight lines at the top are weird. Toggle. Okay, it works, that's good. So I don't need the hide and show, I just need to toggle. Hmm. Try db context dot write to all WebSockets. No. Something. This can be null. No. And what is C2 as fuck. Yeah. C2. Next to Ben. C2 194. So no, that doesn't make sense. C2 AF. It's it's probably Unicode that's not supported. Maybe it's a Windows font problem. Because OBS probably uses like a Windows font for like stuff it doesn't know. So maybe it's like that's the default character it lands on. The A, the weird A. Google code font. Yeah, it has an A and that weird squiggly line. So interesting. Huh. How weird. Unicode fonts. Monotype. I hope these are free. They are not free. You can skip them. Oh, that sounds awful. Let's not deal with this for now. I don't wanna have to pay for shit. Wait, I also wanted to check. Does this actually work? Yep. Okay, yes, it does. Okay, that's good. So, write. How do I write to client? What I do is routes, actually handler. I do this. Null and then writer. Auto client protocol. like this. And this is a small thing, so it can go to a request arena. Add message. Slash toggle message. Toggle message, toggle message. So this is gonna be one. Oops. That's not the one. Number one. Number one. Yep. Toggle message, dot message. This ID, and then show. Maybe it's better to call it visible. Yeah. Search dot visible. Message. Bit. A bit cast. Cast. Int cast. Yeah, that's fine. Nope. Visible. Click. Let's work on this for a bit more, and then messages to client toggle message. Then we can go and join Spharophobia. Yes. Perfect. Fuck no. Toggle. ID, and then visible. Yes. Boolean. Okay, none of this. None of this. But you need to deserialize. Toggle message. Video try visible. Visible not equal to 0. Yes. I can't fucking ever get to be like, is this correct or is this not correct? Okay. Type toggle message, toggle message. Toggle message. That's fine. Reasons. We could just skip those, but in index case Global message. What was that? Okay. Again, I had the most viewers when there was when I wasn't talking lol. What the fuck did I wanna do? I wanna set the ID maybe. How do I set that? Index div message. So I can maybe div class message ID and then, or maybe because this is CSS and it's fun, message.message.visible const ID visible like this, and then I can do what? Well, I still need an ID on it, that's for sure. So yeah, let's continue with that. Actually, message ID here. Let's do string. I mean that it should exist. There's no reason for it not to exist. So this is the ID, which means we can go and do container.query selector. Oops. Hashtag ID message. If no message, break here. Yes. What's your bio? That's a lot of text. Let me check. Yes. What the fuck? Fourth line. Znaš što mene slušat? Yes, okay. Stop moving around so much, bro. Great. I have it. Mwah. If there's set data attribute. Data attribute JavaScript. Yeah. Yes. Data set. Set. So okay. Data set. What? Love you too, dear. Mwah. At type HTML div data set dot visible is to string like that. And then on message visible or not visible, and then message data visible is equal to false, display none. And then how is data columns? Perfect, actually, I think. Then if I run this again, it should expected interior vector fumble. Visible is not 0. Clear, run. Are you in? Okay. Twitch. I can go here, refresh, type hello. It should come up in here. Yes, but I also need to go here and then type hello. And then if I go and it's not gonna work, and I just exactly know why. I didn't even set the ID. Ah, for fuck's sake. I need to fix this crap. Index HTML. Hello world. Not index admin HTML. Action. Hide. Target. Okay. Now how do I set these? That's a good ass question. I don't know. Set attributes. Yes. Not like data attribute, but attributes. Okay, it's just set attribute. Perfect. Then I can copy paste this and go to admin.js. Clone dot okay, table row. No. Where is selector? Table row. Const table row dot set attribute. Qualified name is this, and the value is b. And then tier.id is message dash message.id. Yes. And then here also needs to be message ID. And then this, which needs to be this. Show hide. Yes, by default hide. I can type hello again. And then here it is. Hello. Hide. Message the, oh my god, I forget to do something, I probably did. Yeah. Screenshot ID. But I should, if I hide here. Did I not get the... Bubbling errors. Not watch expression, but like 10. 182. 1. Okay, yes. Why would that be? Messages index. That's because I read it like this probably. And I probably fucked it in protocol. Yep. Actually, I probably needed to close that too. ZigLang run server. And run? Yes. And ZigLang run Twitch. Need to refresh this. Okay. Show this. I can go 32. Message. Yeah, that's true. It isn't. Message slash like this. Message slash. Hello. Hello message. What you thought? Hide. Fuck. Visible false. 32. What it should, did it not, or did it the... This is 33. Why is it 33 though? This is 33, but this is 32. Okay, for some reason it didn't. Okay, perfect, and I can show it again and it's gonna show up. Oh, that's fucking great. This is exactly what I wanted. Fuck yeah. Okay, that's actually perfect. Okay, that's literally, that's what I wanted to do the stream. I'm probably gonna change some stuff between the streams. I wanna try. If I send yo, okay, I do get the yo. Here. Try to hide it. There's no action for some reason. On getting there. And that's on admin.js, I think. Okay, but yes, I can hide row and show all of these. Yep, perfect. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Like, follow, share, subscribe, I don't know, that's all the thing. Do all the things. If you have any questions, join the Discord. You can find it on Discord. I do say, like, I ping every time I stream, so you can join there and be sure to figure out when I'm gonna stream, because you're gonna figure out as soon as I figure out all. If you wanna follow this from the beginning, You have the YouTube channel, which you can, I think you can get by doing YT. Yes, you can. Okay, perfect. And like all the streams are here, uncut. So I don't know if you want to do that. This series thing is probably the finish, the end. I'm probably gonna start another project next time, and this series is gonna get turned into a video, like a short 10-20 minute video, like not combine all this. Like this is a lot of hours combined. Like I post like a 24-hour video, that would be funny though. And then we also have like Twitch. If you want to watch me live, you can follow me there on twitch.tv/Maki325. You can also, and YouTube sadly, the YouTube bot sadly doesn't work, or the stream, the stream elements bot sadly doesn't work on YouTube. Thank you, Billy, very much for watching. And what am I gonna do? I'm gonna end stream and gonna go watch Spyro for you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you probably tomorrow.